Hello ladies, hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming, you guys rock. For my returning subscribers, love you guys. You already know I am gonna show you guys a little hack, a little tip, a little trick. Went ahead and I've swatched out all of the Saviland colors that you'll get in this kit. It's a Saviland acrylic set. If you want to use them as acrylics, go ahead and be my guest. So if you are new and you have not pushed that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications to all, that way you don't miss out on any of the videos. These are the Saviland colors. Look at all of those gorgeous colors you get. They all set very nicely. They all swatched really nice. I'm going to be showing you guys a very small screen, and that is me swatching them earlier. I used my brand new Enail Couture number 16 acrylic brush. We are going to be using one of them. This one is called Sakura Pink. Kind of like a nudie pink, I guess. All of my new subscribers, I'm going to show you guys a way to use acrylics and not have to mess with the monomer. No smell, no fuss. It's freaking awesome. You always want to do, remember to prep those nails. That is the most important thing. Got this idea from Tia Bella Beauty a long time ago. She started using a regular foil glue as a peel off method. Grab you some regular foil glue from AliExpress, pop it on your nail, let it dry, then you're ready. For the very first time in history on this channel, I am going to be putting on my 10XL nails by Enail Couture. These are the stripper nails, and if you don't like stripper nails, I don't know why you're here. But these are freaking awesome. I've already got them sized. I've already got the little tabs filed off. If you need to, go around the cuticle area, file that to make it fit your cuticle area. What works for you may not work for me. What works for me may not work for you. All right, so we're also gonna pull out some foils. Haven't used foils in a while. Also going to be using my Maxi Magic Film Glue. This is a foil glue. I have decided to use is right here, you know, Wonder Woman, because why? Because she's hot, right? She is Wonder Woman after all. A magazine cutout. I freaking love it. Look at that. I'm actually going to use my bubblegum gel in clear. Dip it in here. You don't need a lot. Just a little bit goes a long way, okay? Just a little bit goes a long way. Make sure it's all in there if you have to. Push it down. I probably even got too much. Then you're going to take it and you're going to go from cuticle to free edge. You're going to watch it go up to your free edge. Oh my gosh, look at that, y'all. Look at that nail. Grab you some bubblegum gel. Go ahead and take it. And you're going to slowly go down until it hits the free edge. Once it gets there, go ahead and do a cure. Ooh, look at that nail. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Take it down till you get the free edge and cure. And we're going to go in with that bubblegum gel, and I do have some seeping out, so I'm just going to take my finger, pull that off, and cure that. I'm going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure in my light. Those the nails are hitting the back of the light. Ow! Ow! Got it on my skin. Got it on my skin. Woo! And if you want, buff off the surface shine, but since we're just going to be popping these off, I'm just going to go in with the design and show you how to do this part of it. You're going to take the magic film, a little bit more than halfway. Go ahead and apply a coat of that on the nail. Nice even coats. Go ahead and do that with all the nails. Let's go ahead and do a 60-second cure. Definitely want to make sure it goes all the way to the tip though. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to go all the way just like that. I'm going to wrap it around the nail. Go all the way down. All the way down. My Enail Couture silicone tool for this. And I'm just going to rub that foil. Make sure it transfers really nice. And And I'm missing one little spot. Not sure why. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we've got one. I'm gonna go down the center, wrap it around, press it down real good. I got a freaking wrinkle in there. Okay, everything looks good. Oof, that looks nice. That one did really good. Okay, let's try this. Let's see. Let's go this way first. There we go. You can even rub it with your finger if it's easier. Aha! There we go. Now it's time to apply the acrylic. We're going to take the foil glue again. You're going to start right here at the cuticle. Okay, you're going to bring the foil glue down a little further than the foil. And then you're going to take the acrylic. It's called the No-monomer method, and you're just going to start applying that on top of where that foil glue was. Tap that off. And you're not going to cure your foil glue just yet. Apply it to the nail. Go a little further than your foil. Take the acrylic. Go ahead and apply that. Let it soak in. Tap it off. Go right past that line, just a little bit. Take your powder. You can do this with dip powder also. You can do it with mica pigment. You can do it with anything, any kind of powder. Okay. Tap off. Go ahead and continue on with the rest of the nails. All right, now that you have your one coat of acrylic on, go ahead and give that a 60-second cure. Once you have that cured, go ahead and take a brush and just dust off any excess. It comes right off. The reason I like to use foil glue instead of a base gel when I'm applying, you know, like dip powders or whatever, kind of like if you do the dip way and people use base coat, a lot of base coats will run, and I don't like that. So that's why I always have used foil glue, and it works really nice. This last coat should be it. I shouldn't have to have another one. All right, second coat is on. Gonna go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. All right, once you have your second cure done, take your brush again. Go ahead and dust off any excess. As you can see, it's not built up that much at all. It's not like a big lump or anything like that. That's only 2 coats, and you don't need any more than that. It looks good. Now I do have a little bit of filing, so if you guys want to just go in, you know, touch up your sides, clean up around your cuticle area. Don't have a whole lot of filing to do. Oh shit, I can't even hold on to the file. Oh shit. To kind of hide where the acrylic meets the foil, like right here, we are going to be using these stickers here from Enail Couture, and I'm just going to put it right there, just to cut that. The sticker, place it down, and wrap it around, and then press it down. Just clip off any excess sticker. and then just wrap it around there and press it down. I also want to say I just banged the living shit out of my finger, and my nail still did not pop off with that foil glue. That just goes to show you, you can wear the foil glue with the nails. You could probably even get away with a few days. And I've got some bling here. These two, AliExpress. This one, Totally Nail Supply, which I found them on AliExpress for cheaper, so I'm gonna leave them in the description box. And then the rest of them are from Amazon. I've also got these blue ones. You know what, I'm gonna go ahead and seal my thumb in with the Wonder Gel top coat. Take your top coat and just go ahead and seal that in. I'm just gonna do it right in the top coat. And flash cure that in place. DIY gel for the bigger stones. And I'm gonna just go right on top of the top coat. I'm just gonna put it right there. There. Some little ones, and we're gonna put those up here. Guys, these are stressing me, so I am just gonna do what I always do. Take rhinestone glue, take whatever it is that you use to apply your stones. I'm going to apply this one here, right in the center, and I will just go around it with top coat when I'm finished. I'm gonna grab this big one, and we're gonna put it right here. Just like that. And right up the cuticle. Wow, look at that, y'all. Woo! Right here and all the way down the middle part. Valentine's is coming, so why not, you know? Go ahead and cure. So we're just gonna take the top coat, go under the gem. Top coat the nail. Same with this one. All right, once your top coat's applied, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. And there we have it. That is how you do that hack, using the no-monomer method. I will use this kit again in the future. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want you guys to find some blue emojis and some heart emojis and stick those down below in your comments. Don't forget to go in with some cuticle oil so my cuticles don't look nasty. Now, because I did swatch these and I have used Saviland Acrylics in the past, I'm going to give Saviland Acrylics 5 baby girl nails. I love Saviland, always have, always will. They're a really great company. They have more than just acrylics. You guys go check them out and see the acrylic did not make it look it didn't make it look lumpy or bumpy. Just don't put too much, just don't put too many layers on there. And as you know, I always can hide mistakes. You can always hide up your mistakes if you make mistakes. You can put bling on there, stickers, whatever. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Sending you lots of love and light. And I'll see you all in the next video. God bless. Bye guys.